I decided to study in United States because of the good technical education and also the good career opportunities, because I believe that USA is a land of opportunities.
Basically, everyone's dream is to go to the higher studies, so I chose like United States because the quality of education over here. So I have shifted a plan to come to United States.
The main difference between USA education system and Indian education system is the practical knowledge. I did my undergraduate in India, but I didn't study that much technical education and that much practical education in advance. But here in USA, I get chance to study all those courses in details with practical knowledge and with good faculties.
I want to do my PhD and want to become a professor, so there are a lot of opportunity for me in CSU that I can do research with my professors because they are also doing some research on a topic.
So I studied the few courses in electrical engineering and I work with the many professors. They are doing research and it's easy to learn with professors who are doing research, and I learned many things with them. I learned many softwares, many practical knowledges. I work on the electrical equipment, so this is the hand-on experience for me and it's really helped me to build my career. And I did electrical engineering internship here at USA's second best Cleveland Clinic Hospital for 9 months, and I really thankful for CSU and CSU's career services that I got these internship opportunities, and because of these internship opportunities I am getting called for full-time jobs also.
It's very friendly environment here, so if whenever you have any doubts, we can just send an email to professor and they just respond it very quickly, and they explain things over and over if we don't understand it.
I mean, in one word, it's awesome. I really liked it. The accommodation here. I stay on campus, so yeah, the quality of accommodation is really very nice, and the academic experience is really good. The professors here, they're very friendly, and we have different organizations, different clubs on campus. So
we have Indian student organization, and there are so many Indian students involved in that. We celebrate all festival together. We do so many activities that brings you together, that makes you happy.
We celebrate Holi, which is color of festival. We do it in India, like everybody loves it. We festival Diwali, which is our New Year. And so it's like, home far away from home, that kind of feeling.
The all Indian students are very helpful to the new students, so if someone wants to join the CSU, we will always encourage them to come to CSU. It's like a big family.
You will find people from every countries here. If you check the students, faculty, staff, they all are from all over the world. So I really impressed by CSU's diverse culture. And CSU is also one of the best urban colleges in United States. That's why I picked CSU.
It's an awesome experience as a student of Cleveland State. I feel proud myself, and being in Cleveland, that's an awesome experience.
So I'm a sports person. I really like the Cleveland basketball team, Cleveland Cavaliers, and I can go Quicken Loans Arena anytime and I can watch basketball games, and I can also enjoy baseball games, and I can find many Indian restaurants in downtown Cleveland. All of my friends are living here in downtown Cleveland. That's why downtown is the best to live.
If you are like me, you have done undergrad in India, okay, and you are exploring, and you are also deep down you are feeling, okay, let's explore world, let's explore other countries, let's explore different culture, let's explore other communities. Yeah, you should definitely come to CSU.